Ikigai Driven. Follow your passion. Oh my god! 600 horsepower! Oh shit! Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. A little bit of an update. We're here at RPM. Give you a little update on my car. Got the quarter panel here. They drilled out all the weld spots. I guess almost all of them. So they're taking the panel apart, and my car is up there. We're pulling the motor, guys. Look at this. Kin, say hi. Hi. Hey, that alternator looks pretty new, right? Do you think it's the alternator? What's broken? The radiator.
My ass.
Huh? Your ass? Guys, it's happening. Finally. So the radiator's cracked. Alright, so a new radiator. Damn. Damn, son. Woo. Alright guys, so I got Tony's. He's gonna spin my motor for me and see how tight it is. What do you think? Tight or no? It's not bad? Hey, do you think it's too tight or too loose? These are the intake side. The cups are bigger. How does it feel though? It's good?
We'll find out when
Oh, don't say that. Alright. A little tight, right?
Did you stagger the rings out or not?
Yeah, like clock them? Yeah, clock them. So you can see that like the top ring is like clocked here, and this one is a little off. This one you can see the hole is like right here or somewhere. Oh, is that bad? The official motor test by Tony. Yeah, I put the caps on the same side, the correct side, like where the tangs are. I did. I checked. I put this thing in. I put RTV in there. Tony's inspecting my motor.
I'm in trouble now.
He says it's a little tight, right?
Yeah, we like it tight. Sorry, we're trying behind your way.
Some people like it tight, alright?
And you torque this to what?
These are to 50. On the spec sheet it's like 45 to 50. I just did 50 just to be sure.
I'll get you some insets and candles.
What the? Think it's okay? Yeah, buddy! I've become an official member of RPM. Here are my car parts that I'm installing today. Let's just bring this over to the end.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire.
Alright guys, we're about to drop the motor.
Hey, is this a pilot? Not pilot, Odyssey? What is that? I'll have to tell Chris to do a mechanic job.
Oh shit. Oh shit, motor is out. Woo. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. The holiday seasons are right around us. So I want to wish everybody happy holidays. Thank you for subscribing to us. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.